Hey guys, back to a new video. Today I'll be doing another test with my Kirby vacuums. We just have some rice on the ground. So pretty much it's just a video for you guys so y'all can listen to the wonderful sounds of rice going through these vacuums. It's very crunchy. So stay tuned. So this one is really good agitation. You can see him bouncing and picked them all up. So that was good. All right, now for the Heritage 2. So that did a good job too, but I can see it in the mini mTOR, so that's not very good. Dang it. All right, here's the Tradition. Struggled to pick up some of it, but it mostly got it all out of the carpet, but I can tell it's in the floor. Now we have our Kirby Classic 1CR 1969. It flung quite a bit back at me, but it picked up a good bit. You can hear it going through the metal fan. Yes, it still has the original metal fan, which is kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to vacuum over this section with the G5, this section with the Heritage, and that section with the Tradition, and that section with the CR, just so I make sure I get up all the rice. So upon further inspection, the Tradition and 1CR did way worse than I thought they did. So we're going to do it again with the Heritage. that picked up a good bit too, but there's still some in this middle part right here. This Kirby Classic 1CR, mostly that metal fan just chopped them up, and then the brush roll in here flung it backwards. So I know y'all can't see it from this far, but there's tons of it behind me. Let's see how many stayed down here. Okay, well, it almost looks like salt. I'm gonna shake it and let some more fall down in there. Oh, yep. So the Oric bag fell down in there. That's okay though. We'll just open the zipper. Yeah. Oh crap, this thing picked up a lot of dirt though. It's really good at more on the surface dirt than, yeah, this did kind of bad. I'll show you guys how much actually didn't even make it into the bag. Basically all of it. But, oop. Didn't do too hot, that's for sure. But it worked pretty well. Show you guys the Tradition, see what it did. I didn't hear any fall down. Oh yeah, Tradition didn't do too hot either. But more of it made into the bag. Let's see what the Heritage did. Yeah, pretty much all of it made into the bag on this one. In case you were wondering why the camera quality changed from bad to good, that's because I have an iPhone 11 that I use for filming now. So, okay. And there's basically nothing in the G5 either. So the Heritage and the G5 are in a tie. But, yeah, let's see what made it into the bag. And that will be our winners for Kirby's. So they both have HEPA bags. Oh, okay. I can feel it all in there. This picked up a lot of fine dirt. I mean, that is heavy. And then this one. Oh, okay, well, okay, let me analyze World of, that's a good bit right there. But then in here, all right, well, guess what? G5 won. Yeah, so I hope you guys like and subscribe to this video, and have a good rest of your day.